Hi everyone, this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I'm back with a project share, actually not a project share, with a tutorial and a kind of a new feature I'm going to have on my channel every so often. It's going to be called Inspired by YouTube. So projects, I don't know about you, but like I watch a lot of videos on YouTube with the intention of making a lot of projects, and so I don't always do that. A lot of times I save, you know, the videos. I'm going to make them at some point, and then I don't do it. So I decided that, it's not quite the new year. It's almost March when I'm making this video. But the idea is, it's close to the beginning of the year, to try and really use the inspiration that I see on YouTube and kind of go ahead and use that as a springboard to making projects. So the one that I want to show you guys, this is the one that I made. This was from the Not Too Shabby Shop, how to make a paper bag card. And so I'm going to show you guys. It's super easy, but also I like making them. And I wanted to find a different way to use some of the Darcy's kit projects that I get. The thing about those Darcy's kits is that you get a lot of like pre-made papers and things along with the stamps. So it's just finding ways to use all of that. So to get started, you need a paper bag. So you can use the big lunch sacks. They just make a larger card. And so keep that in mind if you're going to do that. Like large images would then work really well for that, or scenes. But I'm using the small paper sacks from Michaels only because I have a ton of them, because I've used them to make paper bag albums, gifts, all kinds of things. They're really versatile. You can use them lots of different ways. I think I showed how to make, to turn in a little gift sack. I did a little decorated little gift sack and did them as Valentine's Day little candy bags. So you can do a lot with them. And it's super easy. You just take your sack and you fold it in half. It's pretty much it. You can't not go wrong with that. These are all kind of pre-cut papers from, I'm going to do this other one. Pre-cut, actually I'll do this one. Pre-cut papers from, Darcy's. So I get the Darcy's kit every month. They give you just a bunch of stuff that you could cut out and use, along with 3 stamp sets and along with papers. It's a lot of product. And so I just thought this would be a creative way to do that. So my front of my card measures 4 1/4 by 4 3/4. So it will fit in a regular A2 size envelope, or you can always make your own envelope for this because it's going to be a little bit fat. Not the end of the world either way. So I'm going to do just like that. And then I've got this little piece, which I'm going to layer right on top of here. And so, yeah, you get the stamps, but they also give you all these pieces that you can cut out to make your own cards. And so it's kind of interesting. So we have this piece, which might be cute, like on foam, but I'm going to keep it flat because it is pretty kind of fat already. But you could put it on foam, and that'd be cute. So there's that image. So then when you fold it up, you've got the little part where the bag folds. So I just take score tape. You can use glue. This is 1/8 score tape, which I really like. And so I just put it along the side to close it. And then I covered it with some paper here. And then here's another one of these images that you can cut out from Darcy's. May your basket be full of joy. So for this, I usually put a little tag. So this is just a cute little tag. I just used chunky tags, I think, from My Creative Time. They have a little tiny tag that I could just put right in there. And then here you can write a little note, a to from. You can do a lot of things with that. You put another image on the back, stamp something. I'm just leaving it kind of like as is. And then we have this piece right here. So a lot of times I don't do a lot with the inside piece.